What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So today guys, I have something pretty new, something that Keys Motorsports made. I don't know if you guys have seen it on their website or on their YouTube channel, but they developed a new product specifically for the G80s and the G20s. So if you guys have a 3 Series, a G80, G82, or if you even have a GR Super, because they actually recently confirmed that this can fit on those cars as well, this product is gonna be for you. Now, this is something that Keys developed themselves. They make themselves. It's actually really cool. It looks really cool. It feels really cool, but it also has a super practical function about it, which just brings it to the next level. Now, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, let me quickly show you what this is going to be replacing on the car. As beautiful as a car as this is, there's a lot of great materials in here, carbon, leather, but a plastic piece that we use on the cars all the time are these hood latches. They feel cheap, they feel light. However, Keys came up with a solution. So in this little baggie, which by the way guys, is way nicer than it has to be. I mean, this thing is awesome. They shipped it out in this, but I'm honestly just gonna keep this bag for other things. But anyways, inside here, we have an aluminum hood latch for this G80. Again, this can also work for a G20 3 Series or a G82 M4 or also a GR Supra. Again, this is aluminum. It feels really good. It's super high quality. It's nice and black and sleek. So it's not gonna stand out inside my interior, which is nice because obviously I have white interior. I don't want like any weird colors in here. But again, guys, like I said, this thing has a practical function to it. Now, I'm not gonna explain all the engineering that went behind this because again, Keys did engineer this product. Brian has a great video where he talks you guys through all of that and shows you like the step-by-step prototype process and all that. But I'll quickly show you why this thing's actually practical and sort of like a hidden tool inside your interior. So now obviously this thing operates as a hood latch, but not only that guys, you guys can see right over there, that is a 10 mil. That's right guys, this is literally a 10 millimeter wrench as a hood latch. So again, not only does it look great, it's gonna feel better, it's not gonna feel like cheap plastic, especially if you constantly open up your hood like I do because I'm always working on this car. And not only that, it's also a little lever so you can get to the battery of your car. Unlike the F chassis, which used to have their batteries right over there, these cars have them. And yes, guys, I know this is absolutely filthy. Don't judge me, I will clean it. But these cars have the batteries right underneath here, which are typically hard to get. God forbid, in an emergency, you guys have this to help you pry up your thing over here, because otherwise, it's not exactly very easy with your fingers. It's doable, but it's not as easy. Just look at this. Bam. 1, 2. Way easier. Again, doable with your fingers, but this just makes your life that much easier. And then on top of that, you also have a 10 mil. Whatever you want to use it for, you guys have it. Like if you want to disconnect one of your terminals in your battery, God forbid you have something going on in the car, you need to disconnect the power, you can use this for that purpose. Now look guys, I'm not telling you get this because you're gonna need it. This is one of those fine detail mods that if you appreciate the details of a car, if you work on your car frequently, you're gonna appreciate this mod. Also, the fact that it's something that looks better and feels better, but on top of that, Keys found a way to make it practical, I think it's just a cherry on top. So if you guys want one, there'll be some links down in the description below. Also, this thing is super easy to install, so I'll quickly show you guys how to do it because legit, this should take only like 30 seconds to install. All right, so to install this should be pretty easy. What we're gonna do is bring the hood latch up just like that. Right underneath here, there should be some type of groove. Just wanna reach in with a pick tool or a small flathead screwdriver. Just like that. This will come out, and you just want to bring it back down and pull it out. It is literally as simple as that. Now, before I install the new one, here's just a look at your OEM one. Again, plastic, super simple, super cheap. And then here is the Keys one. Aluminum, just feels a lot better, feels like really good quality. And again, guys, it's not just about that, it also has the practicality aspect of it. Now, to install this one, all you have to do is line it up and pop it right in. So if you guys are wondering, well, if I'm gonna use this as a tool, do I have to go through a whole process just to take it in and out? The nice thing is the way that they engineered this one, to take it out, all you have to do is just grab it, pull on it, and it pops right out. Now, if that's a little too tough, there's actually a ball right inside here, which you can adjust with an Allen. So if you adjust that and you kind of back it out a little bit, it'll make it a little easier to take it out. So again, you can kind of adjust it to your needs. I'm gonna leave it a little more tight because I don't want it to pop out super easily. But again, if you do need it, it pops out. And of course, guys, it just feels way better pulling on this instead of the plastic one. It's just one of those fine details that someone like me can really appreciate. But anyways, guys, I know this was a quick video, but no need to drag it out any longer than it has to be. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you drop it a like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.